That is my beautiful A+ setup. Tesla formed a complete cup and pulled back on the double top. You guys see this double top right here, right? Textbook
Yep.
double top. All right, good. For those of you that are watching just now, tuning in, this right here is a full cup, double top, pullback, which is my absolute #1 trade in the business. I always and forever will buy puts on a double top and or strangle or straddle, meaning one which way, one up, one down type of situation. That way I can catch them both. But a double top's always my favorite trade. Did anybody get in that Tesla double top and make a killing off that move?
I did, Coach.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I hammered it.
Yeah, isn't that a beautiful textbook play?
Couldn't be simpler.
Yeah,
It is easy.
that is my beautiful A+ setup. Just love it.